citizens who travel with Sim and his friends throughout the land with this tribal celebration. Time for introductions. My name is Kiume, and I am the leader of our group. Kiume is Swahili for masculine and strong. What do you think? Next we have the Kawa,
which is Swahili for good looking.
Hey, good looking.
and this is Kabini.
Which means impatient.
It means princess.
And finally we have Zawadi,
which is Swahili for the gift.
The gift?
Yes, the gift. And if you want to stay good looking, you best back off the attitude, mister. Besides, this handsome man right here thinks I'm the gift, don't you, honey? What's your name?
Philip.
Philip. I think that's Swahili, but it's my lucky day.
everyone. Sim and the gang will be here any minute. We want them to feel welcome when they get here, so we're going to need your help.
And since this is the animal kingdom and we're surrounded by animals, and Simba and the gang are animals, we should greet them like animals.
So for our beastly pep rally, each of us will help lead one of the 4 animal sections. Let's see, I'll take the elephant.
I'll take the giraffes.
I'll take the lion.
I'll take the warthogs. All right, warthogs. Let's get Philip up here to tame these warthogs. Come on up here and help me, sweetie. Stand next to me. I want you to demonstrate the sound that we as fellow warthogs will make. I'm going to show you what to do, all right? Okay, turn around this way. Put your fingers to the sides of your nose like tusks. Yes. Now snort like a warthog. Yes! Beautiful! Do you need a tissue? You're good. Okay. Well, stand right here with me, honey. Turn around so everybody can see that handsome face. Warthogs. Put your fingers under your tusks. On the count of 3. Let's hear what you can do. 1, 2, 3. That's the most disgusting sound I ever heard, and I love it.
Okay, lions, it's our turn now. This is my new friend Allison from Canada, and she's gonna show us her best lion imitation. All right, let's get those paws up, and let's hear your best lion roar. Nice job! Nice job. All right, so let's turn around. You all get the idea. Paws up, and on the count of 3, let's see some lions. 1, 2, 3. Now that's a lion.
Time for the elephants. This is BJ from Texas, and he's going to be our leader. All right, BJ, get the arm up there. Let's see the trunk. Now let's hear the elephant call. BJ, that's the elephant we'll never forget. All right, my friend, let's help everyone else out now. Trumps up, everyone. On a count of 3, let's trumpet triumphant. Ready? 1, 2, 3. The mighty bandit turtle.
Okay, my turn. I'm next, everyone. This is my good friend Scott from Texas. He's gonna demonstrate for us the sound that a giraffe makes. Ready, giraffe, go! I don't know. It's okay, Scott. Guess what? I didn't know either, but I looked it up and it said a low, bleating sound, kind of like a sheep. You know the sound that a sheep makes, right, Scott? Okay, giraffe, go! That's great! Well taken! Great job, Scott! Stay right here with me. You can copy one more time. Face this way. Oh, come back, Scott. Right here. Face this way. All right, giraffes, let's get our necks high in the air like this, all the way up, Scott. And bleat! And there you have giraffes.
Very well, then. Now that you know your animal sounds, I think we're all set. Watch us. We'll make sure you're cued and ready to go.
Hey, everyone, I think I hear them coming.
Wonderful. Right on time. On the count of 3, let's use those sounds to call them in. All together now. 1, 2, 3. Everyone, listen. Time.
a visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration, and you, my friends, are invited to join in the fun. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get ready to clap your paws, stomp your hooves, and ruffle your feathers as we welcome you to the Festival of the Lion King. Let the procession begin!
Center stage! Who's driving this thing?
All right, two rounds. We're first. On the count of three, let's make some noise. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, I'm in the sheep section.
I just can't wait to
Hello? Hello? Look at me! I'm in a parade! Hey, Tumble Monkeys! Walk me over by the warthog section!
All right, warthogs, it's your turn. On the count of three, let's hear some snorting. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, elements, here's your chance. Let's hear that popular power. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hi, everybody. Hey, Pumbaa, Timon. Am I in the right section? Come on, Lions, let's show Simba where he is. 1, 2, 3. Yep, it's the lion section, all right. Hey, guys, it looks like we're all here. Let's go!
Right up! Big star coming through! Big head on a mission here! It's you time! Alright, now who was I, fellas? That's enough, boys. Let's settle down! For the last time! Alright, Lord, quiet! Thank you. Maestro, if you please. Hakuna Matata! What a wonderful phrase! Hakuna Matata! Ain't no passing parade! Hey, Pumba, what are you doing over there? I'm in the warthog section. Besides, my legs can't make it down off this slope. Oh, gee, that's too bad. Guess I gotta do a solo. Hakuna Matata! What's going on here? What are you primates doing? Bad monkeys! Bad monkeys! Well, this stinks. Sorry. No, not you, Pumba. These monkeys, they're ruining my big number. But they're so cute. Cute? Look at them. They're making plugs off each other. What dirt. Come on, everybody. You know the words. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. Ain't no worries for the rest of your days. It's a problem free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. That's a revolutionary letter. Let's hear it for the Tumble Monkey. Something tells me this ain't the floor show. Hey, what the? Hey there, big fella. Hey, nice hat. So, where you from?
Powers of attention. Press wet as a warthog inside. Think as you walk. Pay attention. My words are a matter of pride. It's clear from your vacant expression. The lights are on all upstairs. But we're talking kings and successions. Even you can be caught unaware.
I'll tell you what, how about our lions and woodhawks against you giraffes and elephants? Your two sections will do the wimbleways and we'll sing the hard part.
And the hard part would be...
That's right, the lions and warthogs will sing the high part.
And all the giraffes and elephants will sing the wimbleways.
Who will sing the melody?
Outside, out of the way, professional artist coming through. Excuse me, my human friends. Since someone has neglected to establish a meerkat section, I guess that leaves me to sing the melody. So, if you finish with all that talking, and we start to sing along already.
All right, Jamal, let's take it from the top.
Thank you. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps
So what do you say? Who won?
I think it's pretty clear. I think the giraffes and elephants won.
Hold on a minute. I think it's pretty clear, all right? Pretty clear, the lions and warthogs.
You know what I think? I think it's time to finish the song. My darling, don't feel my darling, the lion sleeps tonight. Give yourself a big hand. Right, Joe, especially you. You were perfect. Come on, Jack. Let's take it home. Don't worry. For the rest of your days, it's our brother Ray.
For the century, been prepared for the murky sky. The ticket's planets, tonight's is planets, into denial, simply why. Taking up this beauty, respected student, and see more I am. Yes, my teeth and definition of it. Come on, creature, go broken, sing. See the hurt of the wind.
enjoyed the show. It was grand having you with us. You were a lovely group. The best audience ever. Now, please